Let me introduce Talat to you, which is Talat Bhatia is an activist, documentary maker, and trade union campaigner based in Sweden. He has a master's degree in media production and research. He is researching on the impacts of new media technology in conflict zones. He is a producer of this documentary and the editor of Bring Him Back, which, as you know, deals with Shahid-e-Kashmir, Maqbul Bhatt's mother's struggle to have his remains returned to Kashmir. He also works on Kashmir's first web TV, which is www.jammukashmir.tv. His trade union documentary project, Rocking the World, how do you pronounce it? In something in Swedish, deals with the struggle for non-EU seamen workers in Sweden. So we have someone who works not only passionate about it, but is genuinely passionate, I can guess, about workers' rights, anti-racism, and issues of justice. So on that note, Talat, I mean, could you say what inspired you to make this move?
Well, I'm not a speaker, basically. But anyway, you know, Maqbul Bhatt was my best friend in the world. And I remember, you know, when I got home, and it was like a newspaper came with a big picture of Maqbul Bhatt. Probably it was the Life of the Young newspaper. It was written on Shahid-e-Kashmir from the 50s. Time passed. 18, 19, when I was 17, the movement started, and then I learned who was Maqbul Bhatt. And I learned, who was the real, the message of Maqbul Bhatt was to unite Kashmir for secular reasons. So the little time passed and passed and passed, and then it's like it's like when I came to Europe, and then came to England in in 2007 when I came to study in England. And then I worked in the KBC channel, and then Nazir Gilani in the city, we celebrated the 11th February Day on Kashmir Broadcasting Corporation. There was all 9-10 people sitting in the row, and everybody was talking how we can bring the remains back to Kashmir. And then Gilani Sahib, he was more specific, and none of out of the 10 other people were listening. What the method we need to the legal legal actions, what we can do. And that's why Gilani Sahib here, and he will explain some more. And then we had more idea, and it comes from my friend Dr. Tariq, who's a creative writer and based in Beirut. So that's the background of this the document. We put multi-dimensional. It's not just Maqbul Bhatt ideology, and it's Kashmir war conflict, or it's to actually explain what is actually the mother's feelings about her son's remains back, what she's waiting for after 31 years. And we have failed, as all Kashmiris basically, to do something. And everybody has done different, one way or another, just to take a picture or whatever. So this is, and I will try to explain multi-dimensional, what the Kashmiri is, what the Sufi is, and what is art is, and this is a way to show a new dimensional way. So I would rather say, to see, and then we have a question and answer. Yeah.
But before that, have you been to Kashmir?
No.
Why?
Well, from the Pakistan side of Kashmir, but I never applied to visa, but I know I'm not going to get the visa. And then somehow when we started this idea, we got team Fad and some other people. So we built a team, but it's new time. I don't have to go there anymore. It's new time. It's a 3-year process. First, we had to smuggle it 3 years ago. But the last particular was filmed the same day, and I got the same day by internet. So that's the way forward. Whether we can use social media or so all we build this team by social media. Far and we connected by Facebook. Why to get to know who is who. It takes time, who's who, what is writing. But we built a team, and Far did the best job. And it was when I was talking to him, I want this scene because I'm an editor and producer. Can you? And then he was sending actually via Viber frames. Okay, I'm sitting here and sitting, this exactly. shall I take the camera this way or that way, or how it's going to look like? So that's a new way. I don't have to be there, but I mean, I was there. I got it what I wanted to do. And then that's a new way, I think.
So in a sense, modern technology such as web and other things allow Kashmiris from both sides, not like anyone from both, come together, work on common projects and identify those.
Yeah, exactly. Physically they can stop us to control, from control line to cross it. But with social media, now there's no borders anymore.
We hope that no boundaries remain in the situation, because of course states have that ability to stop internet also.
And also, I mean, just want to add, this is not a documentary for sake of documentary. What we need to do is to set up a next level of campaign, basically, how we're going to the remains back. So this is not just a documentary to show what the reality is, but we need to bring the remains back. And we know why India is not giving the remains back, because Makulba become a national symbol of freedom struggle. And the same as Che Guevara and Bhagat Singh, whenever there was hanged or killed, and I mean, Occupy had actually, even they don't want to give the body even.
Thanks. Thank you. And we'll go through the movie now, and